Hi, what's up? I'm fatbabamike. Today I want to show you how to make the real boneless chicken wing for you, your family, and your kid. So your kid will love it. Let us begin. Hi, today you will see we will have the carrot, celery, black mushroom, and then the chicken wing. So for those vegetables you need to cut it slice, so later on we need to put inside the chicken. So let us now take out the bone inside the chicken wing. First, you need to cut both ends, in between the both bone. Yeah, you need to use the scissors to cut it. After you cut between both bone, and then you can start to remove the bone. So for me, I would just try to peel out the meat from the bone. If you want to do it a little bit easier way but take a little bit longer time, is you use the knife to keep remove on the bone, and then the meat will come out from the bone. That way it's easier if you don't want to me to use the hand to remove the bone. That way the whole dish take most longer time to prepare is to remove the bone, but be careful to remove all those the bone part. Don't leave any in there, because if you give the kid to eat, they might not know. So the better you remove the bone, the more safe for the kid. And then the reason I try to show this recipe is sometimes the kid want meat only, but if the way I do it, you put the vegetable inside, then the kid will eat the meat and the vegetable together. Mostly my kid, they will love it, because each bite they have is all the meat and inside they have a little bit vegetable. You don't really need to use the one I show. You can put other vegetable in there, but I like to have those three ingredients, black mushroom, celery, and then the carrot. Those they have all the vitamins, and then it's good for the kids. So I choose these three. Of course, you can put some others if you like. You can try other vegetable. Okay, now you see I remove one of them, and then this time I have we remove all of the bones from all the chicken wing. Then we put some season in there to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit. So if you want to make this dish for dinner, mostly the whole thing include the waiting time and then the cook time, I will say about 1.5 hours. So now you see I remove all of them, the bone. And a little tips right here, the bone, don't throw it away. If you want to make another dish, let's say the chicken noodle soup, you can use those bones to make the chicken bowl. Now we will make the season the chicken wing. You can put the cooking wine, that is 1 teaspoon. But if you think I don't want to have any of the alcohol in the ingredient, because it's for the kid, then you don't need to put it, but after you steam and then cook it, all those will be gone like this, because the chicken wing is like frozen, so we want to remove the taste from those like frozen. So and then like for the soy sauce, we will put 2 tablespoons in there. After, we will put half teaspoon sugar, and then we will put 1 teaspoon cornstarches. The spoon I use now is a half teaspoon, so that's why I will put 2 of them, so it will be 1 teaspoon. So you do that, like the chicken will taste better after you put the cornstarches. Okay, after that you mix all the season with the chicken, and then after you're done, you put in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. If you have time to do it overnight, like you can do it, like it will taste even much better, but mostly I would do it like 30 minutes to an hour before I cook it. So after 30 minutes now, I will put in the vegetable inside the chicken wing. So I will put like each of them one bag mushroom, 1 curry, 1 carrot in each of the chicken wing. And then now I'm like putting those in. Like I want to go back to before, like give you a little bit more tips. The chicken bone, you can do the chicken bowl and then to make the chicken noodle soup, and then or you can do other thing, or if you don't need it, you can just throw it away. It's fine. Now I finished to insert all the chicken wings, and then the leftover vegetable you can put on the side or on top of the chicken wing and then go to steam together. It's fine. You want to make it look a little bit nicer, you can put it on top, or you don't have it, it's fine. And then after you put in the steamer, you need to preheat the steamer, and then now you go to steam it. It will be steamed for 50 minutes at least. How you know it will be done is after 15 minutes, you put in use the chopstick or a fork to punch in the chicken wing. If you can grow food, that means the chicken is well cooked. Now after you're done, you see in the dish you will have a lot of the juicy chicken ball. Don't throw it away, we need to use that for the sauce. Now you have all those put in another small pan. After you put it in, and then you turn on the fire and put in the oyster sauce. For the oyster sauce, depend how many juice you have. If not a lot, then I will use 1 tablespoon. Otherwise, I will put a 1.5. You don't need to put too much. You can put 1 tablespoon first, and then you just taste it. If not too salty, then you can add a little bit more. This is the sauce on top of each of the chicken wings, so you can be a little bit salty but not too salty. So after that, you will need to put in the cornstarch, and then the cornstarch here you only use 1 teaspoon, and you use the cold water to mix it first before you put it in. Don't just put in the cornstarch in the hot juice, the sauce, and then you will mess up. So you need to use some cold water to mix with the cornstarch before you put into the sauce. Now you see the chicken wing is ready, the sauce is ready. You have a real boneless chicken wing to serve for your family and your kid. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and follow my Instagram and Facebook. Click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye.